Hi, Lauren. So to help you out with 3b, so I'm just going to write it down. So 3b, I think you're showing me the h at x is equal to negative x plus 4 squared times x minus 1 squared times x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. Minus 3. Let me just check to see if that's right. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and so we're going to check and see if it's odd, even, or neither. So what we want to do is we're going to sub in negative x in for, oops, I don't know what happened there. Negative x in for x, and if this is true, that means it's odd. If we get two positive x's, so if it becomes identical to the original, that means it's going to be even. And if they don't even match up, then that means it's going to be neither. So let's try that. So we have h at negative x, so that means we're going to input a negative in for x here, a negative in for x here, a negative in for x here, and a negative in for x here. So I'll just put a negative 2 there. Okay, great. Then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to take out that negative. So when we common factor out a negative, that means inside changes. So we get that. We common factor out a negative. That means if we were to put the negative back into x, then that would mean negative x times x is negative x, and negative x times negative 4 gives us positive. So that looks good. We're going to do the same thing here. So common factor out that negative. That means that sign changes. We're left with a square. That means this will come out, and we'll get negative 2 here, and this will come out being 2x plus 3. Okay, great. Looking good. Okay, and then what happens here is the signs. So we have a negative and a negative will give us positive. This negative and this negative will give us positive. So we're stuck with a negative outside. And we have x plus 1 squared and x minus 2 and 2x plus 3. So just looking at this and looking at comparison to this, these do not match up, right? If they were to be like identical, so minus, a plus, a minus, and a plus here with a negative out in front, that would mean that it would be odd. But in this case, it's neither. Okay, hopefully that helps.